Welcome. If you've ever wanted to keep your Pinterest group chats organized and engaging, today's video is just for you. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to reply to a pin in a group on Pinterest using your PC, all with the latest update, whether you're collaborating on ideas or just sharing inspiration. This feature makes group conversations a whole lot easier. Let's jump right in. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your boards and group chats. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see a button labeled Messages. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up all your recent chats, including any group conversations you're a part of. Now find the group chat where you want to reply to a pin. Click on the group to open the conversation. You'll see all the pins and messages that have been shared by group members. Here's the cool part. Hover your mouse over the pin you want to reply to. You'll notice a reply icon appears, usually shaped like a speech bubble or an arrow, depending on the update. Click on that reply icon. A text box will pop up, allowing you to type your reply directly in response to that specific pin. Type out your message, whether it's feedback, a question, or just a quick reaction. Once you're happy with your reply, simply click the send button. Your message will appear right under the pin, making it clear which pin you're responding to. This helps keep your group discussions organized and easy to follow, especially when there are lots of ideas being shared. And that's it! You've just replied to a pin in a Pinterest group using your PC. With this new update, staying connected and collaborating with your group has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!